I like what Kofax says, working like tomorrow today. It's always thinking about future needs, future world, and being innovative all the time, not satisfying with the current status, and continuously improve yourself and improve your processes. When you manage 50, 100 equipments on the field with a team of 2-3 engineers, it's more easy to handle. But we manage to connect almost all equipments in the countries. Today, just in Turkey, we have more than 12,000 equipments which is connected. We do have several internets of things which is in the equipments, which is helping us to identify the conditions of each equipment, and that will help us to foresee upcoming failures so that we can take the necessary actions to help our customers. I am Özgür Günaydın, CEO of Borusan Cat, which is a caterpillar dealer in 6 countries: Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, and Russia Far East. We are part of a big caterpillar family which has been in this operation for 100 years. 4 years ago, we decided to transform our business to increase the efficiency and enhance the customer experience. Currently, we have more than 130 robots in 6 countries, more than 71 departments and processes. One of the robots that we have developed together with the Nova Core is Commodore. Basically, it's condition monitoring doctor, as we call internally. Condition monitoring is a key in our process, because in our industry, customers looking for the highest uptime and lowest cost per hour. While seeing the upcoming failures of the components and the equipments, we are fixing the problems much earlier, and that end up with highest uptime and lowest cost per hour. Because the cost of a repair of a component or an equipment for the after failure cases is much more than the before failure. That is a huge advantage to our customer. Moreover, the cycle time to repair those components and equipments is so much when this failure happened, and if we will fix these things before failure happens, the time and the cost is minimal. It was not an easy journey. First of all, we need to convince our customers to get connected. Then we need to transform our organization, because they have to change the way of doing business. And of course, the acceptance of the customer is the key. Because it's not easy for a customer when you say that there is a failure coming for their equipment. Today, most of our customers is believing our forecast, and we are helping them to resolve their problems. And that's so much linked with our company goal, because our ultimate goal to create solutions for our customer for a better world. Because when we foresee this predictive preventive maintenance and decrease the cost of ownership, decrease the waste, we are also helping our world to be a better place. Just last year, with our efforts and with our component rebuild capacity, we decreased the waste of our customers more than $60 million. That's a direct cost, which is really huge effect to world. Learning from each other, this is how we evolve, improve ourselves and develop ourselves. And then when I dream about Borusan Cat, I see a company which is a benchmark for everything that they do. Disrupting the business, innovating everything for the sake of customers, to make their life easier, to create solution for our customers to have a better world.